Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see already we have seen search keyword, how to use it in regular expressions, but we can see some more additional search functionality to see how we can use it. Let me open idle. So here you know very well, import re is the library. So we can say like re, and then now you can search it re dot search open bracket. Now I want to search it like py and bracket any character. For example, I can say like um, h a t, like that, any character presence, then it should retrieve. This is what, but here I am just passing python. So let's see now. So here it is finding py2, so we are able to find it like that. It's finding here. Now I can say hat, right? Now here I can say like a, like this, by torch, like this. I'm going to search it. I can say like a. Let's see now. So this is also okay. This is t, it is coming, so because of that it is searching here. I can say like, so this is what, so any characters in between that it is finding, then it will match. So this kind of things you can use it within the bracket like this, so that it is able to find out. Now I can say like any character. Let me see one more thing. Re dot scch and then open bracket. Now I am going to pass bracket any letters. If it is starting, then you can find it here. Now I can say like python 01. Now let's see this. Oh, single quotes here, we need to close it. Now see this. So here it is searching here the second character. So like that it will search, because the first letter is the capital letter. Any small letter you will get it like this. Let's see now. Now you are able to find it any capital letter. So this kind of things, if you want to search it number, then you can use it here. 0 to 9, 0 to 9, it is present or not? Yes, it is present here. In the sixth character it is present, like that it is showing here. And some more thing also I will just show you. um, if any starting letter or something like that, we already seen it. Now let's see some more thing like dot character. We can see, so we have dot re dot search open bracket. I can say like py dot hon. It's like that, anything are you able to find out, like that I am saying that. Now I am searching like this, it should not retrieve, right? Let's see how it works. It is not searching here. Now I'm going to give you like, oh sorry, py p caps and then enter. It's not searching. Now t or a, something, any character. Okay, so any character, it's also it is not searching. Okay, then I hope it is not working python here itself. Let's see now. Let's see now. Import re dot search open bracket. The searching character is like py dot hon, and then searching character is like this one. I'm giving like this. Yes, now it is searching, so we are able to find out. So now I will give you like nothing. then it is not searching. So this is what the dot character between any single character, then it will give you like this. Now I want to pass it like some slash w alphanumeric word, we can search it like slash w's alphanumeric search. So now searching, I can pass it like slash w small, this one, and then I can say like I am passing dollar percentage at anything, I am just typing something like that. But here I am just passing a and typing something anything. Now see this, it is finding where the a is present. So alpha numeric word character, by using slash w it will find. So this kind of things. And slash d is the decimal that you know very well. So if I just pass it like this, I can say like d, here I can say 123. Now see this, it is populating here. And if you want to search any white space character, then I will say like re dot yes, that is any space in between this, like here I can have space, here I can have space. Now see this, it is finding the space between this, like this you are able to find it. Now we can say like there is no space like that, after space something like that we want to find out something, then use it capital S, then what it will work, see this. So it will give you like yes dollar here. So there is no space, something like that. I will say like just for example, I can say like space like this, let's see. So this is what, so after space it is finding the first character like that, we are able to find out. And some more thing, escape character also we already seen it, dot we have already seen it. So this kind of things and all you just practice yourself. So these are the search characters, by using that you can use it. And I hope this would be fine for searching. And some more thing is like um, that's it. So dollar we have already seen it. Yeah, something we have so many things we have, slash b something like that. Let's see something. So we can see anything, we are able to find it or not, we'll see this. Okay, so hash everything we have already seen it. So this is what some sample example I already showed you. So most of the things I covered here, you can practice yourself. See you in the next class. Bye.